I'm Stefano Carpin. I'm one of the founders of FrootBot out of UC Merced, and we bring actionable analytics into agriculture. So when we think about California, we think about something like this: the beach, Silicon Valley, San Francisco, LA, all nice, but California is also this. California is the top egg producer in the country. It's a $46 billion per year market. Growing food is important, as Peter just reminded us, but it's also very tricky. Farmers have to face things like pests, diseases, irrigation problems, weeds, and this is just a small sample of what they have to do every day so that in the evening we can eat food. The issue is that if you go out and you talk to each and every farmer, they always face the same challenges. One of them is the scarcity of labor. There are not enough people to do that, what it needs to be done to tackle these problems, and they rely on very poor quality information. So you have few people to do things that you don't really know what they need to be done. So what can we do? Well, and to put this into perspective, a conservative estimate is that 5% of all crops are lost due to conditions that could be managed if detected on time. So if now we focus only on almonds market in California, that's a $6 billion per year market. $300 million are lost every year in crops because of problems that have not been detected and treated on time. So what can we do for that? Well, we can automate data collection and work scheduling so that the few farm workers that are out there can go and do their job in a more timely way and in a more effective way. So during our last year, as part of the Foundry program, we have talked with tens of customers farmers throughout Central California, and we came out with our first product, which is specifically driven by their input. This is what they want to have. So we developed an app to crowdsourcing data collection. It's a super simple app. You go out in the field, you see something that needs to be taken care of, you hit the button, it will record, it will take a picture, record where you took the picture, when, and then you can talk over it and make an oral annotation about it. That's super simple. Anyone can do that while doing other things. That is pushed into the cloud, and on the cloud what we have is a web dashboard so that the farm managers in the evening can go in, see all the problems that have been detected, and then generate tasks for the farmers that go out next day and take care of them. As you can, of course, guess, the moment we start collecting all of this data and we put on the cloud, then we are somehow unleashing all the potential of machine learning later on. Then we can start to do other things on top of this. There are 1 million apps out there, so why is this important? Well, I don't know, but apparently people are willing to pay for it. The one on the left, 7,000 acres. The one on the right, 12,000 acres. They're waiting for us next couple of weeks when we finish up the debugging to start using it, and they want to pay for it. What next? Well, we have crowdsourced sensing, but there's much more to be done if we really want to scale this up. As we have learned, data is very important in every aspect of our life, specific in food. We're going to next retrofit existing equipment that goes out in farms so that we can collect data in a much more systematic way. But our long-term objective is to robotizing data collection. I'm a robotics professor. I have 15 years of experience in that area. I see robots everywhere. Specifically, this is what I see. This is where we're heading to. This is the image, the video taken from a robot going out an almond orchard in Livingston. It's doing real-time data processing, detecting problems. They go up to our current dashboard, and then the farmer can go in the evening, see what has been detected, can see what the robot has recorded, the conditions, and so on and so forth. So this is, in our opinion, what the future of data collection in agriculture looks like, and that will enable us to treat all these problems in a much more effective way. This is our team. As I said, my name is Stefano. I had 15 years of experience in this area. The other co-founder, Stefano Foresti, sitting down there, a serial entrepreneur. Josh Viers, who is another professor at UC Merced, and he's an expert in agriculture. We also have our engineering team, Andres, who is somewhere. I've seen him earlier, and Thomas, who is our software engineering person. If you're interested in talking with us, come out. You can see a live demo of our app and our system. We are raising $250K in funds. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to talk with you later on.